Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen science lab. My name is Miss Sawcki and today we're going to do an experiment called walking water. So for this experiment you're going to need a few kitchen items. The first is water. We're going to need some paper towel, which I have cut in half, and food coloring. I have yellow, red, and blue over here in this corner. And we're going to need 5 plastic cups. I'm using clear, just so you can see the whole process of this experiment and what happens. So to start, we're going to fill cups 1, 3, and 5 all the way to the top. And then we're going to add our food coloring. So we're going to add red to cup number 1. Yellow to cup number 3. And blue to cup number 5. Just like that. Let it swirl around. And then we're going to add paper towel, but we're going to start by folding it in quarters or thirds, whichever's easiest. And you're going to place half in cup number 1 and half in cup number 2. And then we're going to repeat this process with all of the cups. So in 2 and 3, in 3 and 4, and 4 and 5. Just like this. So this experiment is going to replicate capillary action. For those of you who don't know, capillary action is where water molecules or liquid molecules stick together and then move upwards to, against the force of gravity. So let's check it out and see if we can make water walk. Wow, this looks like a successful experiment to me. As you can see, the water has traveled from the full cups and into the empty cups. And because we used different color food coloring, it's made a rainbow. So the water traveled up the paper towel fibers, which in a plant would be called the xylem. And it traveled upwards against gravity to into the empty cups, or if we were using a plant, for example, the xylem would suck the water up in capillary action from the roots and the soil to nourish the plant. We can extend this experiment also and use white carnations or celery and placing the root or the stem into the colored water and watch as the stem brings the water and sucks it up using capillary action to nourish the plant. And also it will dye the leaves of the white carnation or the celery, whatever color of dye you've used. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time on my Kitchen Science Lab.